Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use segments in Brevo. So first is of course head over to brevo.com and from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, in the left panel, click on contacts, then click on segments. From here, you can start organizing your segments. And you can start by creating a segment. And from here, you can use pre-made segment templates if you want to create a segment on email marketing. You can also create for SMS marketing or demographics. So say for example, we're going to create a segment about all email subscribers. So these are for contacts that are subscribed to your email campaigns. And from here, you can view, organize, and manage your contacts that are subscribed to your email. You can start by creating a contact or import existing contacts. Say, for example, we want to add or we want to organize them as contacts that are subscribed to our email or through SMS campaign subscriptions. Then once done, just head over and click on Save as Segment. Just give a name to your segment and also choose the folder in which you want to save this segment. Then once done, just click on Create. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!